Hello everyone, welcome back to my Skillshare project series. Today I show my task 42, which is programming the admin homepage including the summarized report. The purpose of this dashboard is to provide administrators with a centralized control panel to monitor system performance and activity in real time. So this implementation improves administrative monitoring, data analysis and decision making. Okay, so as you can see, we are in admin dashboard. This is dashboard overview. Okay, so here we can see total users, active products, total revenue and also total orders. Okay, so this is what I created newly in this dashboard: sales by category and monthly trend. So in this section we can see the sales by category breakdown. So the highest percentage of sales comes from academic help, which is 38.8%. And then it's meaning most customers are purchasing services related to academic assistance. Okay, then next we have marketing with 19% and graphic design with 18%. So this showing strong demand in these creative and business related services. Then mobile app development contributes 15.1%, while digital products account for 9.1% of total sales. So the remaining categories such as web development, programming, video editing, photography and writing and content currently show 0%, which means there were no sales recorded in those categories during this period. Okay, so in our monthly trend section, this section shows the monthly trend of sales throughout the year. It displays the months from January to December, allowing us to track how sales performance changes over time. So by analyzing this trend, we can identify peak months with high sales and lower months with lower sales, which helps in planning marketing strategies and business decisions. In here we can see recent transactions also. Okay, then this is what I created in my task 42, and let's move to see my code structure. Okay, as you can see, we are in admin dashboard.php file. Now I will explain the session management and authentication process. Okay, then this code is responsible for security and access control. This code starts the session and checks whether the administrator is logged in using a session variable. If the admin is not authenticated, the system redirects the user to the login page and stops further execution to protect the dashboard. Okay, then now I will explain how the system connects to the database. Okay, then this statement loads the database connection file, establishes communication with MySQL, and allows the system to execute queries. Without this connection, the system cannot retrieve user data. Okay, now I will explain how the system retrieves statistical data for the dashboard cards. Okay, here this query counts the number of users in the system. Here the count function counts all records, and this one, as C, creates an alias named C. Then fetches off, retrieves the results value. The value is stored in $sign total users. So this value is displayed on the dashboard as the total number of registered users. Here, this query counts the number of products available in the system. The statistic helps administrators monitor inventory size and product availability. Okay, here this one. This query counts the total number of orders placed by users. So this metric has tracked transaction activity and system usage. And here This query calculates total system revenue. Here sum total amount function adds all payment amounts. And here this operator ensures if the database returns null, the system uses 0 instead. This prevents system errors and display issues. Now I will explain how the system retrieves the latest transactions. Here this query uses join operations and it connects order table, user table and product table. So this allows the system to display buyer name, product title and order details. Next, the order by created at desk. This sorts orders from the newest to oldest. This displays only 5 most recent transactions. So this improves performance and readability. Now I will explain how the dashboard displays statistical value. The number format formats numbers for better readability. This improves user interface, clarity and professional presentation. Now I will explain the summarized report feature. Okay, so here this query generates sales summary by category. It calculates number of orders, total revenue, category performance. Here, left join ensures all categories are displayed. Even if no sales exist, next group by serial ID. This groups records by category. Then order by total days. This sorts categories from higher sales to lower sales. So this creates a summarized report for administrators. Now I will explain the percentage calculation. Okay, then here this calculates category sales percentage. Okay, the formula is category sales divided by total sales and multiplied by 100. The condition $sign total earnings greater than 0 prevents division by 0 errors. So this ensures system stability and accurate calculations. Okay, then now I will explain the monthly trend chart. Okay, here this array stores all months of the year. Okay, then this generates random height values. This simulates monthly sales data. It creates a visual chart presenting system activity trends. Okay, now I will explain how recent transactions are displayed. Okay. Here, this condition checks whether records exist. If records exist, the system displays transactions. If no records exist, the system shows a message. Here, you can see no transactions found. Okay, then this improves user experience and error handling. Okay, then here this formats the order date. This improves readability and professional interface. Okay, then when we talk about this responsive design implementation, the dashboard uses Tailwind CSS. As example, class grid calls 1, SM grid calls 2, LG grid calls 4. When we talk about that, this creates responsive layout and screen behavior like mobile in 1 column, tablet in 2 columns and desktop in 4 columns. So this ensures mobile compatibility and responsive interface. Okay, then when we talk about the security features are implemented in this system includes session authentication, access control, secure database queries, error prevention and null handling. So these features improve system reliability, data protection and user security. Okay, then in conclusion, I successfully developed the admin homepage dashboard with summarized reporting functionality. So this system displays real-time statistics, provides visual summarized reports, shows recent transactions, supports responsive design, ensures secure admin access, and improves administrative monitoring. Okay, then the dashboard enhances system management and provides administrators with a clear overview of platform performance. Okay, then thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video.